Today I'm taking this dollar store tray that's a little too farmhouse for my style and giving it a glow up. I want to transform it into something modern that looks more high-end than its dollar store price tag. I'm Anna, let's jump in. First, I want to add feet to the tray, and I have a selection of wooden odds and ends that might work. I just have to pick which one I think looks best. I think it's going to be upside down snowmen for the win. I like the height they give. Oh, yeah, it's funny that, yeah, they're actually wooden little snowmen, but when you put them upside down, oh, they just look like little legs. I think because this is so light, I'm gonna get away with just hot gluing the feet on. Now that the tray has feet, I want to change the color. This galvanized metal look, I think that's what it's called, that's not working for me. So I'm thinking black, not matte black. I think satin. I think that would be good, but only for the tray. So the tray will be black, and then these little pots, I'm thinking a cream color. So I'm going to spray paint everything, but that's not going to be the end of it. I don't want to leave these just plain cream. I want to, I don't know, like zhuzh them up a little bit. So off to spray painting. The tray looks great in black, but these in cream, one, it's not the right cream. It's a little too yellow. You can't see it on camera, but just the wrong cream. And it's a bit flat looking. I'm okay with the tray being flat, that looks good. But these I need a little more character. So I took as many creams and white paints that I could get. I have craft paint, this is a sampler fusion mineral paint. I even have some like wall paint in this pasta sauce jar. And I'm just gonna start dabbing all over. There is no real technique to this. I'm sure some people might have one, but I just dab a bunch of colors on and keep dabbing. I will be using a foam roller, like this is for like putting on a roller. I don't know, it just seems nice to be able to dab like this. Then I have a brush, I have paper towels. I'm just gonna be dabbing a bunch of paint on, and somehow this always turns out. So don't be afraid to do it. It's dab, dab, dab. Oh my gosh, looks great. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And it's really fun. I don't know, it's just a easy but fun sort of paint technique. I don't know if it's a paint technique really. It's just dabbing. So let's get started. My little pots are pretty dry, but they're also a little bit like bumpy, a little rough. It's hard to see, but you can hear it. Yeah, that's rough. So I want to smooth that out. It's just rough because I was like stippling the paint on, and I have a piece of 400 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to give it a light sand. Once I'm done sanding, then I'm going to wax it just because I think it'll give it a nice smooth finish. I don't know, just making this stuff up as I go. I can't even speak. But sanding. Oh yeah, this is working. All right, they are still cream. And you're probably wondering, why did I even bother going through all this? But up close, they have such a nice texture and feel now. Like instead of just being flat spray painted, they just have some depth and character. So I just think that looks better than either plain galvanized metal that it was, or just plain spray paint. I don't know, it's just, I guess, an excuse to do a craft, but it does look much more, I don't know, something that I would say, yeah, that's my style. Now they look great. The only thing I still don't like is this, there's like 3 bands here. That still looks, I don't know, 3 like rows of some accent decor, I don't know. There's just some lines here and they still say too much farmhouse to me. So I was like, I need to cover them up. And I didn't want to use twine because that's super definitely farmhousey, and I didn't want to use lace because, well, that's the same thing. So I just kept thinking, and then I started rummaging through my stash and I have all these leather strips, and this to me looks so good. And then you put it on the tray. Yes, but of course I don't have enough of this suede stripping to do all 3. I can do 2.5, but I bought this, it's actual leather. I bought it at Michael's when it was on clearance. I think it's for your Cricut. If you have one of those fancy Cricuts that can cut things like leather. I'm just gonna cut some strips and I'm gonna hot glue them on. Yeah, I mean, it would have been more convenient if it was already like this, but there's a little bit of cutting now. I think that'll just kind of, the only thing that would make it look even better is if I had like little buckles. How cute would buckles? But I don't. I mean, I don't know why I would have 3 little buckles, but that would be super cute. If I happen to stumble upon some, well, but no, I never have, and I just make stuff up in my head. So, okay, enough rambling, let's get to cutting. Oh, and this is 2-sided, so I can either do suede or leather. See, here's the suede side and the leather side. I think I'm gonna do the leather side. Yeah. And here it is, the little farmhouse tray that didn't fit with my decor and now totally does. It picks up on the blacks and creams from my kitchen and fits right in. It's funny how some paint, some odds and ends like upside down snowman, just really can make a project. It's so little to get like such a great result. So for more results like this, remember to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! Oh, I wanted to tell you, these hydrangeas, I grew them. They're from my garden. I cut and dried them, and I think they're adorable. Okay, anyways, okay, bye! First, I want to add feet, and I have a selection of falling things.